want to talk to you today about my journey about becoming monetized on YouTube once again and whether I decided to use an old channel or a new channel and the progress on it. So here I am. It's years since I started my original channel, which I actually have just rebranded and renamed recently, and I did actually start creating a new channel, but honestly I got to a point that I was like, man, this is gonna take me ages to get like that 1,000 subscribers that I already got on this other channel. I just don't have my watch hours. So I decided I'm gonna go back to my old channel and start putting content in there. And I've actually been really thinking hard about what kind of content I want to do, because like a lot of people, I really struggled to know what my niche was going to be. I feel like I am not a professional person in skincare or fashion or anything, so I decided why not talk about exactly what I know, which is how I moved my career from studying costume to now working in IT. And I'm actually currently going through finding a new job, so all the things like how to create my CV, where to look for jobs, that is all now fresh in my mind because it's currently what I'm doing even years after being in IT. I was just made redundant. It happens. So I'm just going through like all the kind of tips and tricks that I've done as well, like during interviews, which is mainly about like dealing with anxiety and just how to kind of prepare yourself for an interview. And so I am back posting on this old channel and I'm actually really pleased. I did one video back in the end of August and it did not get very good views. I didn't even try with the thumbnail and I just realized, you know what, if I actually need to do this, I need to do it properly. So then I brought out my next video, which was my journey to get a tech job without a tech degree, and I posted that on the 17th of October and I've currently got 41 views, which is pretty good, like considering it's only been a few days. Let's see. Yeah, it's literally been 1, 2, 3. It's on its 4th day of being on my channel. And something as well I've seen, sorry, I got something in my eye, is that a lot of people really, you do have to put in, you can't just pump out one video a week like you used to do years ago. You actually really need to be doing like 2 to 3 videos a week. So I then have posted my next video as well, but that has actually 0 views because I just posted it today. And I'm working on my next video as well. So actually while I'm recording this video, I'm downloading a video that I already edited. So some of the things I'm doing differently, I'm really working on a really good thumbnail. I'm actually going to YouTube and seeing what is working for other people. And another really cool tool is actually vidIQ, which you can actually go and look at generating ideas for yourself, and it will actually give out a title, a kind of description, your tags, an idea of thumbnails as well. So it's a really cool tool, and that's actually just for free. So you can actually use it as well to find the outliers, but you can't filter down by like the last 12 months or so, not in the free version. But obviously if you just go to YouTube yourself and put in your search term,
folks, and welcome back.
Ooh, that scared me. If you put in your search term, like I put in write a resume because that's my new video that's coming out, and then just filter by the last 12 months. Once you've put in vidIQ, or even if you put in install vidIQ, it'll actually tell you kind of a scoring of those videos where they rank as an outlier. And what an outlier is, it's a video that's particularly done well for a channel. So compared to then basically how many subscribers they've got and how many views the video got. So you know that that topic's gonna perform really well. So for me, I've just been really working on creating like really cool looking kind of thumbnails, because I feel like a lot of the resume ones are quite like, but that's me. Okay, that sounds really rude. They look really plain and boring, I'll be honest. And so I'm just trying to create my thumbnail so it's like a little bit more modern and a little bit more cool. I'm kind of still undecided, but I'm sticking with like kind of 2 kind of fonts at the moment ish, mainly just like the caps and things. So I'm going to mix it up with some of my thumbnails with my face and some of them without my face. But right now I will talk about my stats. So currently right now I have 1,107 subscribers. So I literally got 2 subscribers from one video, which was like the 4 days ago. So I feel like that was pretty good. My watch time is 11 hours and my views are down compared to normal. But like my top content on this channel is actually from like 4 years ago, which is just crazy actually, because you just realize actually content does still keep getting pushed out years on years. And currently right now I am redundant and it's really not a good time of year for finding a job. It's the end of October. So if I don't find something soon, it's going to be like waiting probably till the beginning of next year. I'm still going to keep applying, but the job market is always just so quiet this time of year. So I'm actually going to do another video as well, like how to find remote work, because things in New Zealand aren't that great. So I'm going to actually look elsewhere as well and just show you the websites that I found the most less scammy kind of jobs on there, I guess, and you don't have to pay to join. But I'll do that in another video. So yeah, currently right now my top content in this period is actually showing my new video as number 2. So the average duration is 15% on that one, which again is still not as good as my top performing videos for the last 28 days. So I am quite well off the 4,000 watch hours that I need to get monetized, but you have to start somewhere, don't you? And yeah, I'm just really surprised this old channel. I actually really struggled to find information whether to create a new channel or just keep going with an old one. And some of the advice that I saw was, you know, if you've already reached like monetization or obviously the 1,000 subscribers, then keep going with that channel and obviously just change the niche. And it will take a bit of time, but you already have an audience to then kind of like transfer across. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, it's totally different niche what I'm doing right now to what I did 4 years ago, but it seems to be doing okay so far. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's still like the average duration, this is so sad, it's only like 1:32 for like my video, which obviously maybe people, I'm realizing as well, like with YouTube, it's really, does my voice, is it annoying? Do people not want to listen to me? I'm not sure. So then I was kind of thinking, do I do some more softly spoken kind of videos so it's kind of like easier to listen to in the background? I just found this new girl. In actual fact, it's like her voice is so calming and relaxing. You can literally just put them on in the background and binge watch her content. I actually really like that. So I might experiment with that kind of thing, and also not talking a million miles an hour, because if I talk a million miles an hour, my brain actually struggles to catch up and then I just fumble my words and I have to edit a lot. So if I just talk a little bit slower, then I can actually think about what I want to say and get it out a lot easier. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But that's the update so far. Yeah, if I look, most of my content is coming from YouTube search as well. So 51% is coming from YouTube search. And then it's the browse feature, suggested videos, external, don't know where that's coming from, and then channel pages. So yeah, we'll see if I can kind of beat my top video from like 4 years ago, which is kind of hilarious actually, because that one is now sitting on 19.4 thousand views. And it's actually kind of funny because the reason why it did so well is because it had Kakabrun in the title, which means something in other languages, which I probably can't say on here. And so people just started commenting, and it's kind of really funny because obviously Lush, I don't know whether they knew that or not, but Lush was a brand of the henna that I was using. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. That's how I kind of weighed up whether to carry on with an old channel or start new. And also just like thinking about what niche I wanted to do, because yeah, that has been just like a biggest blocker for me. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop any comments that you have below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.